that I will, you know, the judgment that went out yesterday in regards to the convoy against the movie of Palapala. Can you please tell us what you think about this movie and how you feel about it?
Well, you weet, mense in Engels, alright. Well, people must read. I read that judgment twice. And that judgment speaks not of the president. It speaks of the process. And that's what we must be clear about. It speaks of the process that was followed, not by the president, he didn't investigate himself, but by the process followed by parliamentarians. We followed the wrong process. And the Concord says, go back and fix that process. But I also want to be very clear. I see journalists are calling me, are you going to vote for impeachment? There's no patriotic alliance that's going to vote for the impeachment of President Ramaphosa. So when you make your calculations, already put the patriotic alliance one side. Our country has been built, I'm standing behind the president. And they say, he's standing for blue lights. They don't know my life. My daughter is 16 years old. She's never seen me drive myself. She's never seen me outside not having protectors and security. These things are not new to us. We stand on principle. The Patriotic Alliance will not vote for impeachment of President Ramaphosa. That man is building our country now. He has allowed the processes to take its course. So I wanted to be clear where I'm standing. I'm not in the middle. I'm not waiting to see. The Patriotic Alliance will not vote for there's no one in the Patriotic Alliance that's going to vote for the impeachment of President Ramaphosa. I hope I make that very clear.